Greetings to you, ladies and gentlemen, watching this video. Thank you for coming back to my YouTube channel. And here is an update for a pharmacist. A pharmacist is needed in the Quad Recruitment Limited in Barnsley. Barnsley is a very good place too. It's a good location. And this job is a full-time job. It has shifts, Monday to Friday shift in Barnsley. Now, said, are you skilled and compassionate pharmacist, eager to elevate your career and become a valued member of a close-knit pharmacy chain? And the rest of it. Now, the salary is 52,000 to 56,000 per annum. Now, in the new immigration rule does not disturb this person from bringing his dependents, because the rule says you have to have about 29,000 pounds per annum, and this is far from it. Even if it is 39 or 40 pounds per annum, this is still far from it. So this person can bring their family into the country. That's if the person is not in the country already. Annual bonus, independent subscriber support, and there's a tier 2 sponsorship visa available for this. So guys, it's a good one. You can give it a shot. You can give it a shot. You can give it a shot. A legacy of caring, support that nurtures, competitive package, more than a job. Working with our partner isn't just a job, it's joining a family. You'll be part of a team united by a shared mission, making a meaningful difference in patients' lives every day. Okay, so all of these are the information you need. So apply now if you feel that you like this. Now, it said application question says, please confirm that you have a valid GPHC registration and are a UK registered pharmacist. Guys, don't be discouraged with this, because there's a good news if you try to apply. Now let's check this. Let's check this out. Now, you can see the question here. It says, please confirm that you have a valid GPHC registration and are a UK registered pharmacist. So you can see that's optional. So you don't have to be a registered UK pharmacist. So you can be anywhere and you're applying for this job. So I'm going to advise you, give this job a trial. Shoot your shot, and share the information to people that are around you that you know would need it. It's very crucial. It's very important that you share good news with people. Let them benefit from it. Somebody around you might need this at the moment for relocation, for change of job, and all of that. So please don't hesitate to share. And I'll see you again in my next video. And please don't forget to subscribe for more updates, so that whenever there are information, you're going to be one of those that will get it first. Thank you guys for always. And I wish anyone applying for this job best of luck. And I'm going to be waiting for your comments in the comment section that you've made a good progress with it. See you again later. Bye.